All right, inside the 44 FL, one of our more popular floor plans with that front living, large kitchen, really open bedroom with that tall ceiling. This, even if you're in your living room, it's still a 6'6" ceiling, so even some taller persons are still going to be comfortable in here. But when you're in your living room, what are you going to be doing? You're going to be sitting down. So for taller persons, this is an ideal floor plan because you have a nice tall shower, you've got room in which to move, to change, to do what you need to do. This has the jackknife sofas on either side. I can do a trifold sofa if you want a queen flip out bed. However, a lot of people just do the arrow beds in the center of the floor because there's plenty of space without vents. It's sometimes a more comfortable bed overall. But these jackknife sofas, the arms will come off if you want the full length, and they just flip out into beds. You've got storage on either side of the television. If you want to do like hooks in here for, coats or whatever, it's definitely something we've done. LG Smart TV, 4K, LG soundbar with a subwoofer, and then you've got a 5,000 BTU fireplace on board. Kicks out some really nice heat, knocks the chill out of the air. Storage again on the opposite side. All these lights are going to be dimmable with that in-command system. You can really run them independently, get this more of a theater feel, and really enjoy. We've got theater seats, speaking of, on the opposite side here, looking straight toward the television. So these will recline. They've got cup holders, even a USB charging port in this particular model. This is Paul Seating that does this all for us. We can upgrade you to the Lambrite. Just kind of let us know what your thoughts are. But looking out into the kitchen, you can see how open and airy this is. Really very, very open. However, it has very separate spaces. So as you're in each room, you really do have that full residential feel that you've got rooms in which to go to. Heading down into the living area, we've got your in-command panels here, all your control panels, and then you've got some breakers down here and then a breaker box around the corner. Coming into the door on the Elite, one thing that's nice about these coaches, and I can do this on any, are these touch pads. This is an in-command electronic ASA touchpad controls. So they will be backlit. If you just pop them on, you can shut down all of your lights as you go in to leave for the day, or if you just want to shut them all off at night. Again, you have an app on your phone available. You can see where you can dim or raise the lighting. Each of these pads are going to have multiple functions for what is in that area. So that's a nice upgrade. Also, I'll point out we've got the tan walls on this particular model. It is the soft touch, which is a feature of our Elite series. Creates a really nice sound dampening barrier while you're in here. It's very quiet. Plus our 3-inch thick walls, you're not going to find a quieter coach. Dinette area, this will pull out to seat 4. So it'll pull out in order to seat several more people, play cards, whatever you'd like to do. Nice large ledge there in the back with storage on either side. This is what houses your outside entertainment center. You'll have 2 leaves that fill into that space. Storage up above. MCD shades will be standard on all models. This is your blackout shade. Solar shade to black out some of the sun. Behind me is the half bath, which we'll pop into. And coming back around into this gorgeous kitchen, we can kind of pan around and see how large this actually is. We've got storage wherever we can put that. Overheads. Convection microwave is standard. This is our 30-inch range. It's a full residential oven. Nice large space in which to cook. Got your silverware drawer on the island with sink covers available to stow down below. Drawer dishwasher. This model is optioned with the single bowl again. It is the composite. I've got 6 different colors in this. I've had clients reference back to it and say they just absolutely love this sink. So it's a really nice upgrade for you. Tilt out sponge tray. Storage underneath the sink. We also have individual shutoff valves at each point that the water comes in, just like you would have in your home. Showing you all the storage you have just in this island alone. I've got a coffee nook over here. You can keep your coffee up here in this little cabinet and stow your Keurig, your whatever you use. Could be tea, I don't know. We've got the LG residential fridge. As you can see, it houses a lot with a French drawer, freezer down below. This has an ice maker in it. I can do ice and water in the door. You just need to ask for that particular model and we can do that. Next to the stove, I've got 3 big drawers. I can do a desk in this location, should you like. We can also do, you know, a desk in like the combination of the buffet because it is a large dining area. Just kind of let me know what your thoughts are and we'll talk about it. Now we're going to head into the hallway. I've got storage on the opposite side of your washer dryer here in the hallway. I don't have anything in here right now, but you can see how versatile this space could be. It could be a broom closet. You could have shelving, drawer pull out down below for any laundry soap. It's just a nice kind of a flex space cabinet, really. Heading into the half bath, you've got overhead storage above for all your bulk items you don't need to get into very often. Medicine cabinet in the corner, nice and deep. You can store a lot. Porcelain bowl sink. Again, real residential glass tile. Storage down below. And your toilet paper holder. This is a wonderful master bedroom. So we've got really deep slides on this model, allows for us to have a really big space in which to kind of get ready. If you look, you've got a king size bed, you've got overhead storage above, the reading lights are independently controlled, USB combo outlets next to the bed. And then again, your individual touch panels available. Your wardrobe is at the base of the bed. It has a cutout for the bed to slide into, which is why we can allow for those extra deep slides. A lot of people ask me, what is this? Well, that's what it is. It allows the bed to slide into that space, creating this nice, huge open space. I mean, I can twist around in here, turn overhead storage up above, hanging storage. I can do adjustable shelves on this side, should you want, or just more hanging and drawers down below. You've got a master bath in your rear of the coach. Again, solid core, passage doors, pocket door on this one. This one has our residential panel shower, which allows for a little bit more space. Again, as you step in, you can see how tall the ceiling is on this one. We still put the skylight, but there's no way that you're hitting your head on this one. Lots of room to move around. You got a fold down teak seat available as well, should you need to sit and shower. So glass doors. This one's a bifold glass door, and then a large vanity for prep. Tons of storage cabinets in this. You've got a bank of drawers on either side, cabinet beside each on the vanity, overhead storage again for any of that bulk stuff you don't need to get into very often, large cabinets for your linens, adjustable shelving, and then again a bank of drawers below and a corner cabinet. I think you can see why this is one of our more popular floor plans. Simply gorgeous, well designed, ton of space. If you're a gourmet chef, and love a kitchen, this is it for you. I would love to chat with you about your wants and needs. We are happy to help. Please give us a call. Thank you very much for joining us.